After you have shampooed and conditioned the hair, make sure you add a heat protectant. I'm using Silk Therapy by BioSilk. Here I'm using a blow dryer and a paddle brush to blow dry the hair straight. Facing the blow dryer down will allow the cuticles of the hair to be sealed. As you can see, the hair is getting very straight. I'm using a high temperature on the blow dryer, and this will also save us a lot of time during the straightening process. Now, as you can see, I'm getting that kitchen, as many would say. I'm using my pressing comb to just make sure all the naps are straight. First, I make sure I press out every section with the pressing comb, and then once I'm done, I use my flat iron to silk it out. I know you guys are wondering what bomb flat iron I'm using, and it is the Babyless titanium, and it is just the best flat iron I've ever used in my life, so I highly recommend it. Just a FYI, my client's hair is pretty much trained. She comes in every 2 weeks, so her hair straightens really easily, and it's just trained and very healthy. Now here, I'm just going to add a little bump to the end of her hair. Don't forget to add a little sheen. Now here is the finished product. As you can see, it's so shiny, so movable, just like silk. I will be putting all the products that I used in the description box, so make sure you look and you can use them as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.